So let's go ahead and learn about what an essay is as a genre before you read the mentor text for this unit. Some of the genre characteristics include that it has an introduction that includes a broader subject as well as a specific topic. It hooks the audience and briefly describes how the topic will be developed. An essay contains a thesis statement that offers some original insight on the topic. It contains well-developed body paragraphs, each with a main idea related to the writer's thesis statement or position. So if it's not in the thesis statement, it shouldn't be in the essay. And it has tangible evidence that supports those ideas. So tangible means something that you can actually point to. An essay has a conclusion that often neatly summarizes the topic and leaves the audience with something to think about. So the thesis statement is the expression of the main idea or the purpose of an essay. In the essay that you will read as your mentor text, the thesis is articulated in the title, meaning it's actually stated outright as the title of the essay. Looking at the compare and contrast organization, which is one way to organize an essay. To convince readers to accept her thesis, the author of the essay, Melissa Dixon, structures her essay as a point-by-point comparison of the similarities between Victorian and contemporary concerns about technology. Point by point means that she compares both historical periods one point at a time, instead of discussing the Victorian period first and then the contemporary period. So when you're reading through the mentor text, pay attention to how that's organized and see if that seems effective and relevant for the point she's trying to make. Multimodal text. So multimodal, multi meaning many, and modal having to do with modes. So multimodal text employs two or more modes of communication, words and visuals, for instance, to help the reader construct meaning about the content. Graphic features such as images, charts, and maps can play an important role in communicating an author's meaning. As a rule, authors do not include graphic features without a reason. Therefore, it is important to pay attention to every part of the graphic feature if it is in the text. This includes footnotes, this includes dates, anything that is part of the graphic you should be paying attention to. And that's what you need to know about an essay in order to truly appreciate the mentor text and use it as a guide for your research project.